Maratha Kranti Morcha, a group fighting for Maratha reservation since many years, today in Mumbai is staging a protest at 18 locations between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Right now we are in Mumbai's Dadar area, one of the locations where this protest is happening. You can see some people from the group have gathered here to stage their protest. Now before we try and talk to them, let me explain why exactly they are protesting and why Maratha reservation topic is once more there in the news. Now it was in September, in the beginning of September, that Supreme Court put a stay on Bombay High Court's order granting reservation to Maratha community. Now Supreme Court has also referred that matter to a larger bench, but the people of the community are angry as far as Maharashtra government is concerned, because according to them it was the casual attitude of Maharashtra government that Supreme Court went ahead and put a stay on Bombay High Court's order. These people believe that Maharashtra government did not put the side of Marathas properly in Supreme Court, and now also they are not really clarifying when Maharashtra government will file a review petition against this order. When is that going to happen? And now in the middle of all that, Maharashtra government has started recruiting for Maharashtra police posts. There are 12,500 vacancies which are now going to be filled by Maharashtra government. Talking about this particular protest, now among all the other demands, this is one of the demands. They are saying that there should be a stay on these police recruitments so that till the time Supreme Court decides something on the reservation, so that Maratha community people do not miss out on this opportunity of participating in Maharashtra police recruitments based on their reservation quota. Now these people are also alleging that when Supreme Court's order came, that was it was on the same day when the cut list for the graduation and post-graduation students came, and Maharashtra government, without having an access to the Supreme Court's order copy, simply based on the news reports, went ahead and did not provide the benefit of the reservation quota to those students. According to these people, they were supposed to wait till the order copy, and if Maharashtra government would have done that, those students at least would have gotten the benefit, because Supreme Court has also said that all those people who have already received the benefits of under Bombay High Court's order granting reservation, that should remain intact. Now this is the issue and these are the demands. Now what's happening here? This group of people, they are protesting here, and as considering the COVID times, and of course they don't have any permission also, police deployment is also here. But as of now, what we can see, police is not preventing them from holding any protest. Police is letting them continue with their protest, and similar is the situation in all the other parts of the city where these reservation protests are happening. Let's try and speak to some of the participants, what they have to say about it. Talking about the reservation, आप लोग यहाँ पे जो रिजर्वेशन के लिए मांग के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं, सरकार से आपकी, महाराष्ट्र सरकार से आपकी क्या क्या मांगे या क्या उम्मीद है?
महाराष्ट्र सरकार से हमारी एक ही उम्मीद है कि जो आरक्षण जो इस सरकार में गिरा है, कोर्ट में गिरा है, उसको आरक्षण में स्थगिति न लाए, और जो पुलिस भर्ती हो, पुलिस भर्ती रुकाए, मराठे के ऊपर अन्याय ना हो, इतना ही हम सरकार से मांग करते हैं।
मैम, कोविड टाइम्स हैं और आपको परमिशन भी नहीं है प्रोटेस्ट करने की, उसके बाद भी आप लोग बाहर आए हैं, तो क्या किन किन चीजों का आप ध्यान रख रहे हैं? मैंने सुना है कि बच्चों और बूढ़ों को हिस्सा नहीं लेने के लिए कहा है आप लोगों ने।
जी हाँ, बच्चों बूढ़े को हम लोग ने हिस्सा लेने के लिए कहा है। हम लोगों से सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग किया है, लेकिन हमारी कोई मांगे पूरी नहीं हो रही। प्लीज़ हमारी सरकार से विनती कि हमारे बच्चों का भविष्य आप प्लीज़ जरा ध्यान से मराठा आरक्षण के लिए।
आप लोग जो है, जो पुलिस भर्ती है अभी 12,500 पोस्ट के लिए, उसका भी विरोध कर रहे हैं, उस पर भी स्टे लगाने की मांग कर रहे हैं सरकार से, वो क्यों कर रहे हैं?
एक्चुअली हमारा आरक्षण का ये पिछले 5 साल से चालू था। ये सरकार बोल रही थी हम लोग मेगा भर्ती करने वाले हैं। 1 साल हो गए हमारे को आरक्षण मिलके, अगर 1 साल के बीच में उन्होंने कोई भी एक भी गवर्नमेंट का यही भी सरकारी नौकरी का कोई भी ऐलान नहीं किया। लेकिन जैसे ही आरक्षण को हमारे स्थगित आ गया, स्टे आ गया, वैसे ही इन्होंने ये ऐलान किया कि हम लोग मेगा भर्ती करने वाले। ये आप सोचो ना कि एक तरफ से आप बोले कि हम लोग मराठा समाज को न्याय दे रहे, दूसरी समझ से वो दूसरी जैसे स्टे आ गया है कि हमारे पीठ में खंजीर कुपसने का, ये खंजीर डालने का काम ये लोग कर रहे हैं।
So they feel betrayed is what he is trying to tell here. Protest also, you can see the chanting of slogans is happening, sloganeering is happening. They are demanding their rights. They are saying that They're requesting Maharashtra government, of course, they are blaming Maharashtra government for its casual attitude towards the whole issue. But they're also requesting the government to put a stay on the police recruitments. They're also requesting the government to go ahead and file its review petition as soon as possible. As of now, the current status is police is here. The deployment is here to ensure that nothing unpleasant happens, of course. But police is not interrupting the protest. They are allowed to protest here. Now, that is actually also a violation because this protest is happening without permission and no such gatherings are allowed in the city. But clearly, police is not stopping them. And till 1 p.m., these people are planning to continue with their protest. And Mumbai, with camera person Nitesh Turve, this is Santya for Mirror Now.